Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to add stunning image accordions and enhance your visual storytelling. They create an eye-catching, interactive experience that makes your content stand out. With smooth transitions and engaging layouts, your images stay organized, creative, and impactful. So, let's get started. First, open a page and click the plus icon. Here, you'll see three blocks: Media Accordion, Image Accordion, and Accordion Slider. With the Media Accordion, you can control image positioning and display content over the image. The Image Accordion offers two beautifully designed template options, allowing you to switch styles and choose the one that best supports your visual story. And with the Accordion Slider, you get three unique template options, giving you even more creative freedom to build dynamic, smooth, and eye-catching accordion showcases. For this tutorial, I'll use the Image Accordion block. Once you have selected the block, choose a template and upload images to build your own accordion. Then customize the design exactly the way you want. Or, if you prefer a ready-made design, simply choose from the ready-made patterns to quickly create a stylish and engaging image accordion. No coding or design skills required. You can also customize the imported pattern to match your design. Next, go to the settings panel on the right. Here, you can choose the template orientation, either vertical or horizontal. You can also enable display vertical on mobile to automatically show the image accordion in a vertical layout on smaller devices. Here, you can adjust the template height, width, expanded area width, and other settings as needed. Next, go to Accordion Interactions. Here, you can choose how the accordion opens: on click, on hover, or autoplay. You can also set a default item to open or keep all items closed when the page loads. To keep a specific item open on load, turn on the Scroll to Opened Item on Load option. Next, go to the Image option. Here, you can choose an image effect to style your accordion and make it more engaging. You can also customize the effect on Hover, Collapsed option, to add a visual effect to collapsed items, making them look more attractive and easier to view. Next, enable Lightbox to give visitors a beautiful, full-screen image viewing experience that really stands out. You can customize the Lightbox icon style, size, and position however you like. Then, go to the Style. Here, you can choose an image overlay type, either solid or gradient, and select a color that matches your brand and improves text visibility. Next, go to Content. Here, you'll see options for the icon, title, description, and more. Each item can be customized individually. Select an image, and on the right side, you'll see additional settings. Under Accordion Item, you can change the image and adjust its focal point. You can also add a title and description and enable the Image Flip option. With Image Flip turned on, visitors will see the flipping image when they hover over it, creating a more engaging visual effect. Then, go to the Icon option. When you turn it on, you can choose an icon from the default icon library or upload your own custom icon. Now go back to the full template settings and open Motion Effects. Here, you can add scrolling effects and entrance animations to make your accordion feel smoother and more eye-catching. After customizing everything your way, click Publish. Your visitors will now experience a more polished and engaging accordion on the front end. And that's it! This is how you add stunning image accordions and enhance your visual storytelling using the Easy Accordion plugin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.